What's going on, family? Today we'll be showing you how to make chipotle deviled eggs. This is the easiest recipe for a flavorful starter while entertaining guests. This recipe can also be modified for keto, paleo, or Whole30 diet, so feel free to add your spin on it. I did. So we're going to start by hard boiling our eggs. Make sure you peel them while they're hot, and we're going to cut them in half. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and smash that bell, family, so you're notified of all of our posts. Now this is a family staple. In every gathering, we will have these. So I hope you can start that tradition as well. So now that we cut them in half, we're going to separate the yolks in a bowl. Now, I didn't make a whole lot of these, but you can make a ton of them and you'll have leftover mix from the eggs. All right, now let's break up the yolks. And we're gonna add our salt, freshly ground black pepper, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Miracle Whip. We're gonna add our sweet relish. We're gonna give that a mix. You want to mix it up really well. Make sure it's nice and creamy. It's not lumpy. Okay, because we're gonna actually pipe these into the egg white shells. So you want to make sure you give it a good mix. And we're about to meet the consistency that we want. It's coming together. All right, now we're gonna add a tablespoon of chipotle mayo, and this is gonna give it a spicy kick. Now, growing up, we never added anything outside of the ingredients we had prior, so this is my little spin on it, and it turned out amazing. So I would definitely encourage you guys to give it a try. So no piping bag, no problem. Grab your Ziploc, you still be ready to go. So we're gonna empty this into a Ziploc bag. We're gonna use that to actually pipe it into the egg white shells. All right, now, come on, let's get it in there. Don't be afraid to ask for help. All right, now that we got our Ziploc filled, get the air out. We're gonna start piping the mixture into the eggs. It's as easy as that. I like to use this method so it kind of stays uniform and it's not as messy. So you can definitely just use a spoon and add it in there. Last one, and as you can see, it's still some left over. So now we're gonna go ahead and plate it. I like to dab a little bit of the mixture on the actual plate to keep them still. Not a whole lot. All right, place your eggs on. And now we're hit it with a little smoked paprika. That color contrast is beautiful, and it gives it flavor. I like to hit the plate just to make it look good, and that's it. Look at my OCD. I apologize. So there you have it, family. Chipotle deviled eggs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications and drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Alright, family. See you on the next video.